si reactivate yan. And in reference to what Doc Arlie said a few Tuesdays ago, in medicine, there's two parts. Anatomy and physiology. Meaning the structure and the functionality. So I have seen so many network marketing companies claiming that their product is the best. May I make this statement? All nutraceutical products are good. Lahat po yan magaling. Pero kung may magaling, merong mas at may pinaka, these are food supplements, never to be misconstrued as medicine. Kaya nga po palagi sinasabi ng DOH, lalagyan yan ng no approved therapeutic claim. Totoo po, no approved therapeutic claim. Pero bagamat hindi siya gamot, siya po ay nakakagaling. Bakit? Because there is an approved therapeutic value. And that's what makes it different from a medicine, which is a synthetic drug, to a supplement or an all-natural product. When Laminin was introduced to me last year, I'm a stage 4 cancer patient. I do not use the word survivor because normally most cancer survivors die after 5 years.
Tama! No.
And I don't want to be tagged as a survivor. I was a person afflicted with cancer. So, it was introduced. Fourth stage, chronic myelogenous leukemia. Dami ko na na-take. Panggitin niyo kung ano available dito sa Ortigas, nainom ko na yan. Lahat. Okay? But you have to understand, during the 1980s, it was a multivitamin revolution. During the 1990s, it was the antioxidant revolution. During the 2000s, it's the immune system revolution. The millennium, from 2000 to 2011 or 2011, starting onward, this is now the stem cell revolution. Laminin, I have discovered out of my own personal experience, not just on me, but on my patients. Siyempre, ano ako eh, I'm a cynic. Before the end, there is no one pill that fits all. No such thing. But when I went back to my medicine book, I've seen there, sabi ni Hippocrates, let thy food be thy medicine, and thy medicine be thy food. So it makes sense. Nasa pagkain, kung bakit ka magkakasakit, nasa pagkain din ang gamot or ang ikagagaling mo. Taas po ang kamay. Sino na dito sa inyo ang nakapakinig ng balita na namatay dahil na overdose dahil sa gulay? Wala. Sa prutas na overdose? Wala. And then, when Ma'am Susan came in and said, mabait po ang Diyos dahil binigyan tayo ng laminin or laminin. Laminin is inside us. And it's the sign of the cross. Pag tinignan nyo sa microbiology, ang structure ng laminin is cross-like. For those who are religious here, ano sabi ni Jesus Christ? Ang sabi niya, I am inside each and every one of you. I am the one that binds you. Microbiology, laminin is a cellular structure that binds or holds us together. It makes perfect sense. Ayoko pa rin maniwala. But one day, I was called into the National Mental Hospital. Hindi po ako yun. My friend's mother was admitted at the National Mental Hospital because she was going crazy. Yun pala, hindi nakakatulog 3 araw na. Sir Butch, or Pastor Butch, gave me a blister pack of laminin. So, nagkantuhan kami ng barkada ko. Sabi ko, pahit ko sa nanay ko to. Binigyan ko muna ng 3 capsule. Wala pa kami 15 minutes, pagtingin ko sa nanay niya, tulog. Tulog. 3 days hindi natutulog. Wala pa kami 15 minutes tulog. So, kwentuhan lang kami. Sabi ko, pabayaan mo lang. Let her sleep. Kasi pagka hindi ka nakatulog ang tao, naaaning yan eh. Kaya karamihan mo, kami mga doktor, pagka naka-duty kami, most of the time, naaning din kami. Kasi 22 hours na kaming gising. Di ba? So, yung pasyente, tulog. After 3 hours, baka humautot kayo dyan. Siguro. Anyway, after 3 hours, the mother woke up. And then the mother said, "Anak, nagugutom ako." "Oh, pakainin mo, nagugutom lang. Anong pwede ka? Pakainin mo lahat ng pwede kang kainin." Kumain. After the meal, sabi niya, "Nasaan ako?" Sabi niya, "Nay, nandito po tayo sa Mandaluyong." "Saan? Sa loob, sa labas?" "Nasa loob tayo." "Bakit nila mo ako dito? Hindi naman ako sinaulo." "Uwi na tayo. Uwi." I saw her last week. Okay na siya. Galing. Sabi nga, "Ano yung pinainom mo sa akin?" Laminate po, isa stem cell." "Pabilahan. Magkakalo yun." Pag sinabi ko sa inyo kung magkakano ko binibenta ang laminate, baka masira ang market value. Because I sell it 3 times the amount I paid for it. And people buy it. Because it's still cheap. To have a stem cell, I had a tomotherapy at the City of Hope in Los Angeles, California. It cost me $180,000 just to have the stem cell transplant. Now, nandito in a form of capsule. Eto ngayon, I have a friend. Stage 4. Stage 4 cancer. Sabi ko, "Bro, I cannot do anything. You are under the management of your physician. Please do not play doctors." Huwag mo sabihin sa, "Eto, inumin mo to, gamot ito, gagaling ka." Always consult with your doctor. This is a complementary alternative supplement. It will complement whatever medicine that you are taking. It will neutralize the bad toxins of the pharmaceutical drug. And at the same time, enhance the structure so that the physiology will be good. I saw my friend, I haven't seen him for 20 years. When I saw him, he was stage 4 cancer. Prostate. Sabi niya, "Doc, ano bang pwede?" Sabi ko, "Pag pinainom ba kita ng blender ng palaya, iinumin mo?" "Opo." "Kahit na ano, wag lang pako, iinumin ko yan." "Bakit?" "Kasi gusto ko pang mabuhay eh." "Bakit mo gustong mabuhay?" "Kasi sayang yung yaman ko." You see, the problem with people is that when we are young, we use our health to achieve wealth. And then when we're wealthy and old, we use our wealth to gain back our health. To the point na maubos na lahat ng pera mo. Gusto mo lang gumaling. Ito po, as what we always say, prevention is better than cure. So binigyan ko siya. I gave him a full dosage. 2, 2, 2. 2 in the morning, 2 in the noon, 2 in evening. Sabi ko, kung ano mo pa iniinom mo, na binenta sa'yo ng kahit na sinong network yan, inumin mo lang. Pero eto, heavy dosage ka. Mega dosage ang tawag ko doon. I saw him earlier this afternoon. I brought him to the clinic and I asked permission. When I saw this result, I was amazed. I have never seen a result as good as this. So I decided I am going to drop by. After dropping by from another company, I told Ma'am Susan that I'm going to drop by here. Okay? And I want to share. What we do in our clinic is what we call the bioresonance imaging, BRI scan. It is a combination of the MRI, CT scan, 2D echo, 3D echo, name it. It is the equivalent of your 2 days executive checkup. We do it in 45 minutes. I was surprised. Dinig ba? I was surprised because when I did the scan of this patient, hindi ko nadala yung before eh. So next week I'm gonna bring the before. Yung mga greens na nakikita po ninyo was all red, blue, and black. All organs before. So I gave him a full dosage, 2 capsules every meal. The result was so amazing
that everybody in the clinic started asking me, ano yung pinainom mo dyan, Doc? Sabi ko, hindi pwede, mapapagalitan ako dahil yung may-ari ng clinic, Sunrider dealer eh. Sa labas tayo. So, everything on the chart, the heart, the colon, all turned into green. And green says, condition of functional balance. Ang naiwan na lang po na hindi pa clear ng husto is the gastric glands. If you can see this, may mga pula at blue at may itim. Pag sinabing pula, moderate infringement of homeostasis. Pag sinabing blue, express. Pag sinabing black, non-compensated. It means bulok na. Hindi na kayang i-regenerate. Eh kaso na-regenerate po eh. All the blue that you will see in this printout used to be black. And all the reds that you will see used to be blue. So, na-reverse. Sabi ko, dun sa nurse namin, print mo ko niyan.
Print mo ako because this is one for the books. And I'm starting to document all results of Laminine. Why? Because the Senate Regulatory Board on Network Marketing will require each and everyone to use a data if you are going to testify in their behalf. Otherwise, you let the person testify. Ngayon po, pagkagaling dito, babalik ako sa Mall of Asia, imimit ko yung pasyente, dahil bibigyan ko pa ng Laminine. Hindi ako tatanungin kung magkakano ko binibenta. Ha? Magkakano yung Laminine natin? It's $43?
49.
49 times 3. And they will not bat an eyelash. Bakit po? Sa dami-dami na naman nakita kong pasyente, sabi niya, we have tried the rest.